One of the Salaf rahimahullah قال كان لي حمارا أكتريه. He said, I had a donkey, and the purpose of this donkey was to rent it to the people, for the people to pay me to transport them from one point to another. And a man came to me, فقال يا فلان, he said, oh so and so, أتصلني إلى كذا وكذا, can you take me from this point to that point? فقلت له نعم. I said, I will take you. The man said to me, إني لأعلم طريقا فيه اختصار. He said, I know a road that can take me where I want. It's a shortcut. Let us take this road. قلت له, I said to the man, but I'm not familiar with that. قال لا بأس أنا كأكفيك. He said, don't worry, I'll take care of it. I know the area very well. I can take you where I want to go, and it's a shortcut, and it's for you to come back earlier for your business, for your next trip. قال فأطعت. I listened to him. I trusted him. He looked decent. He's a normal man. He said, I walked, and we walked, and we walked, and finally we came to a dead end. And the man, he drew his sword and he pointed at me. قال تنح, get out of the way. I said to the man, out of fear, I panicked. قال الحمار لك والدراهم لك دعني وشأني. He said, the donkey is yours and the wealth is yours. Let me go back to my family, to my children. قال لا حتى تفشي سري. For you to expose me so I won't do this to anyone else, I won't let you go. I will kill you. I will take your donkey, I will take your money, and I will kill you. I need to bury the secret right here. فقلت له إذن إن كان منك ما تقول, if this is what you want to do, فدعني أصلي لله لربي ركعتين. Allow me to pray 2 rak'ah. Allow me. He said, فضحك, and the man, out of arrogance, he does not care. He laughed. Do you want to pray? Go ahead, فتعجل. Do it fast. He said, so I said, Allahu Akbar. وكأن القرآن قد محي من قلبي. He said, because out of fear and concern and panic, it seems that the Quran was taken away from my heart. I'm standing. I want to pray. I want to read the Quran. I want to communicate to my Lord. This is a moment of truth. This is the time that I need to connect with my Lord. This is the time that I need His help. This is the time that I need to talk to Him. He said, but there is no Quran in my heart. I can't remember anything. And he said, Subhanallah. And the man, he said, تعجل يا رجل. He said, finish your prayer. Why are you standing there? قال فتذكرت قول الله أمن يجيب المضطر إذا دعاه. I remember the word, the ayah from the Quran when Allah said, and who will respond to the stress, to the person when he's in need of it, in need of Allah and in state of stress. Who else will respond? He said, فوالله فإذا بفارس يقبل علينا. He said, I finished the salah and all I said was this ayah. I had nothing else. I had no more Quran. And when I finished my salah and I submitted myself and I was ready to die, a man on his horse just approached us. He has a spear and he's waving. And the man who was supposed to be killing me, he has the sword, and he looked at him. قال فرماه بالرمح فوالله ما أخطأه. He said, and he threw that spear, and wallah, he did not miss his heart. He didn't miss. And I said, you know, out of happiness and joy, and the killer is on the ground, and this man is approaching me on his horse. And I said, Man anta rahimakallah? Who are you? May Allah have mercy on you. فَقَالَ أَنَا الرَّسُولُ مَنْ يُجِيبَ الْمُضَّرَّ إِذَا دَعَى. He said, I am the messenger of your Lord. I am the messenger of the one that you call upon when in a state of stress. Allah has sent, was an angel appointed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to save that person because the person was in a state of stress. أدرك غريق البحر